Today, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare DNS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand where to click, what you're looking at, and how to make sure your domain is correctly using Cloudflare's DNS. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account in your web browser. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Cloudflare dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see all the domains or websites that you've added to Cloudflare. If you have multiple domains, they'll appear as a list here. From the dashboard, look for the domain you want to work with and click on it. That will open the domain's individual overview page. Think of this overview page as the control panel for that specific site. You'll see quick stats, security information, and links to different settings. Now, from this overview area, you want to navigate to the DNS section. Typically, you'll see a menu or tabs near the top of the page with options like Overview, DNS, Security, Speed, and so on. Go ahead and click on DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page for your domain. The DNS page is where all of your DNS records live. These records are what tell the internet where to send traffic for your domain, for example, which server to use for your website or which provider handles your email. When you first arrive on this page, Cloudflare may automatically scan your existing DNS records from your current provider and import them for you. If Cloudflare has detected your DNS records automatically, you should see a list of records already in place. It's a good idea to quickly review them and make sure they look familiar. Things like A records pointing to your server's IP address, SNAME records, and possibly MX records for email. If everything looks right, you may not need to add anything manually. However, if Cloudflare doesn't automatically detect all of your DNS records, or if this is a brand new domain with no existing configuration, you'll need to add your DNS records yourself. On the DNS page, look for an option like Add Record or a button that allows you to create a new DNS entry. Click that to get started. You'll be asked to choose a record type such as A, Tupa A, SNAME, MX, or others depending on what you need. Then you'll enter the name or subdomain like the root domain or www, and the value, which is usually an IP address or another host name. Take your time and double check each value against the information from your hosting provider, email provider, or wherever your services are configured. After you add each record, save it and confirm it appears correctly in the list. Repeat this process for all the DNS records your domain needs. Once all the necessary DNS entries are in place, your domain will be ready to use Cloudflare's DNS. Remember that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, so don't worry if things don't update instantly. That's it. You've gone from the Cloudflare dashboard into your domain's overview, into the DNS section, and added or confirmed your DNS records when they weren't automatically detected.